like it. And I can grade with the back edge of the bucket. I have 2 grading edges on it. Actually 3. 1, 2, 3. This one's replaceable. Nice combination bucket from Bobcat. Marauders, welcome back to the channel. This video, we're going to be putting heavy duty Bobcat teeth on my combination bucket on the T66 track loader. Please consider subscribing to my channel, liking the video, sharing it with a friend. That's how I keep score. All creators keep score. Greatly appreciate you taking your time out of your day to watch my videos. So I have 8 of these teeth, which are massive teeth. I think they're the same ones, very similar to the teeth on my buckets. And there's going to be 8 of them going on the front of this machine, and they'll look like that. So I think what I'm going to do is, on the Bobcats, the front door opens, so you can't elevate the bucket too much and open the front door. That's a problem. But I think I'm going to elevate it a little bit and tip open the combination bucket, so maybe the teeth are at waist high. We'll see how that goes. There's a large tapered bolt that goes in from the bottom, and it's recessed. I'll put one on and I'll show you, and then a 24mm nut that goes on the top. So let me put one of these on. And I was looking for a tooth bar for the longest time, didn't like the price of the tooth bar, and then I decided to go with, and actually the parts manager said, do you have a Bobcat bucket? And I said yes. He said go with, now this is a very strong, I'm gonna put this on level 2 on torque. So let's hit this. Wow, okay, that's not going anyplace. So let me show you how it looks. That's the pin to replace these teeth if they get ground down. Those of you who know me, watch my channel, know that's probably not going to happen. How this tapered bolt goes in on the bottom. I'll show you over here. Goes in like that. See how it's tapered? They do have a form of Loctite on the threads, but I like it. And I can grade with the back edge of the bucket. I have 2 grading edges on it. Actually 3. 1, 2, 3. This one's replaceable. Nice combination bucket from Bobcat. Let's put this on. You know, it helps to have tools. Just happen to have everything. Boy, that is nice. Give you a look from over here. Let's see how this works. Should we see how it works? Not sure if I had the best camera angle on that, but that pile's been sitting like that for probably 8 months. It had no problem cutting into it. So I'd say that's a win, Marauders. Let's put this dirt around the pile. Mode. This thing is okay. Out of rabbit mode. That's just too fast. Okay. All right. That was enough fun, wasn't it? Well, it filled in that hole. Bucket did a great job. Machine did a great job. Operator needs some work. Not the best job by the operator. I'm a little rusty, huh? Okay, trying to do a lot today, boy. Okay, Marauders, thanks for coming back to the channel. I think the teeth are a big win. He had no issue cutting into that topsoil pile. I'm gonna use it to clear out the brush around that tree, some of which is poison ivy, and the teeth are a win, big win. Thanks for coming back to the channel. Please consider subscribing, liking the video, and sharing it with a friend. Thank you for spending your time watching my video. Take care. 81 degrees. Actually, it feels like it's more than that, but it's going to change. We're going to get snow next week. Crazy April.